So the way that I think about this is that there's two ways that AI can help our business. One is that essentially ChatGPT, you as an individual can now have a really great brainstorming buddy to sit down, think through ideas. It gives you a lot of power by just using ChatGPT. The other way is to use it in an automated way. So instead of you manually engaging with it, you have an automated process. And so to really use that, and I'm speaking, myself, I don't code. Can be technically proficient, but I actually don't know how to code. Um,
Okay.
but I use no code tools specifically. Most people are familiar with Zapier. I don't like
Yeah.
Zapier, but if you use it, more power to you. But I'm a huge fan of Make.com. I think it's just exactly the same as Zapier, but just better. There's a variety of
Hmm.
reasons I can talk about if you want, but I would recommend that. And with that no code tool, you can basically leverage the OpenAI's API and
Okay.
then create integration so that, for instance, one of the first ones I made is that every time we receive an email, we can take that email, give it to it's still essentially ChatGPT. It's not really ChatGPT. It's called it's just OpenAI 4.0, I think. Well, no, that is also the name of ChatGPT. I forgot what they call the model on the back end. There used to be DaVinci, but that was a different model set. But anyways, you query the API, and then that gives you back a response, and then you can essentially take that response and just dump it into your drafted reply, and then see how the AI would respond. Maybe another example is like every time that a lead, I'll use some non cold email examples. Every time a lead fills out a form, gives you their
Hmm.
LinkedIn, what AI can do is it can scrape their LinkedIn and then create a summary as well as like three ways that your service could help them. So then right before the call, you can review what the AI learned about them and the AI suggestions, and that's just automated. Is it when something happens, it integrates on the back end, and then you can put AI into that integrated back end process.